Ho ho ho.
Try it.
It's snowing outside.
Well, there's a 50,000.
Daddy says there's a lot of winners on these ones.
Two.
Much needed socks. The first thing I thought about when I woke up today was how I forgot to put. I got you each a pair of socks. I forgot to put them in the bag.
It says Paul on there. Gonna get you a nice one with your name on it.
I got the welfare sock in this here. Hand me down. A little anti-age.
What are you
Space
supposed
open.
to do with this?
Soft and silky.